Welcome to Face Gym and Glow. I'm Suki. I'm your face yoga expert and skin specialist. Today we are focusing on the lines between and above our brows. These lines are not just about age. They can be linked to repeated facial habits, concentration, stress, screen strain, emotional tension, and simply just overusing these muscles again and again. So today, we're not trying to freeze any facial expressions, we're trying to understand this area better, release unnecessary tension, and teach the muscles to work with more control. Right, sit tall, relax your shoulders and soften that jaw. Now place your finger between your brows and just raise your brows up and down, and once again up and down, and notice the lines being created in your forehead. Now just take a moment to think how quickly this area can grip these expression lines. Many people don't realize how much tension they hold until they bring awareness to this area. Now we're going to move on to a resistance exercise for the forehead. So place your fingers above your brows, and your fingers are going to act as a gentle resistance for this move. Now very slightly lift your brows up and hold it there. While your fingers resist the movement, hold it there and release. Only a tiny movement, so we're not going to make any big deep lines or scrunch up the forehead. We're just training these muscles to work. And release. We're activating this area, we're activating these muscles, and release. Let's repeat this. Place the fingers above your brows and hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. And repeat that again. Raise the brows. Feel the activation underneath your fingers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Ask yourself a question. Can I create that lift with less wrinkling the second time? Because that's where the awareness comes. Now place both hands across your forehead and gently slide towards the temples. And as you're doing this, think of widening this area, smoothing out and softening the middle of your forehead and letting the brows spread. This is such a lovely way to follow resistance work, because this reminds the face that activation and relaxation must work together. And now gently smooth out towards the temples and relax. Now place your fingers on your temples and gently massage the temples like this. The temples and the brows often work together. So just imagine if you're looking at an outline, you forget to look. So if you only focus on the line but ignore the picture, you miss a big part of the picture. And this is what we're doing. We are now connecting the forehead and the muscles of our temples together. Close your eyes and just imagine how this feels. Recognize the tension moving away and the relaxation forming here. So one of the goals today is not just doing the exercise, but taking away that awareness here to soften your brows throughout the day. Common mistake here is pressing too hard with the fingers and clenching your jaw. So remember, little is more. You don't need to fight your face, you just need to retrain it here. With consistency, this routine can help with habitual pulling and a softer brow area. If you found this helpful, save it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.